If you've been shopping on Temu and want to check your purchase history, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to view all your past orders on the Temu app or website. It's super easy, so let's get right into it. First, open Temu app on your phone or go to the Temu website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you can simply tap on your profile to see your orders. Tap on your orders, and on your profile you can find orders and history. Simply view your order history section. You'll see a list of all the items you've purchased, including your order number, shipping status, and purchase date. If you've made a lot of purchase and need to find a specific order, Temu lets you search or filter your order history. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to search by order name, product name, or purchase date. And that's it, you've successfully viewed your purchase history on Temu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.